Hey pupils! Today, we're going to explore the colorful and delicious world of fruits. Did you know that fruits come in all shapes, sizes, and flavors, and they're not only tasty, but super healthy too? From juicy apples and sweet bananas to tangy oranges and yummy strawberries, there's so much to discover about these amazing treats. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of fruits and learn about your favorites? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can discover something fun and fresh every time we upload. Let's get started.
Walk through a world, action meets learning, globally connected with Verbs.
Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Mango, mango. Orange, orange. Grapes, grapes. Pineapple, pineapple. Strawberry, strawberry. Watermelon, watermelon. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Cherry, cherry. Kiwi, kiwi. Papaya, papaya. Guava, guava. Plum, plum. Melon, melon. Apricot, apricot. Fig, fig. Lychee, lychee. Blueberry, blueberry. Blackberry, blackberry. Raspberry, raspberry. Coconut, coconut. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Tangerine, tangerine. Avocado, avocado.